Hey there. Alrighty, so for number 5, it says, first of all, is it a kite or a rhombus? So you should notice that we have two sides with one length and two sides with a different length. So that's going to make it a kite. And they want you to find what x is. X is this line right here, but it's also equal to this diagonal. Okay? So x is the same thing for there. Now the area for a kite is PQ over 2. But they tell you that the area is 48 feet squared. So I can plug in 48 for A. And then we already know that one of the diagonals, let's just say P, is 8 because you add the two 4s. Then you have Q over 2. This Q is the same thing as X. So I'm going to say instead of Q, I'm going to put X. Okay. Now we're just using algebra to solve for X. So I'm going to go ahead and go through, multiply both sides by 2, and then you have 16 minus 6 is equal to 8x. Again, you're trying to solve for x, so now you divide both sides by 8. Those cancel, and x is equal to 96 divided by 8, which is 12. Alright, so there you have it. X is 12. So I'm going to put that there. And then number 6 is the same exact way, same steps. But this time you notice that your diagonals are the same. Their midpoints are cut in half. So we know this is a rhombus. So the area of a rhombus is 1/2 times the first diagonal, which is 8 plus 8 is 16. And the second diagonal, x plus x, is 2x. And you want to just solve for x. But area is 32 inches. So I'm going to plug in 32 for A. And then I have 1/2 times 16 times 2x. And now you just want to solve for x. So multiply these two. 1/2 of 16 is 8. 8 times 2x is 16x. And I'll leave the last step for you to solve for. Alrighty, I hope that helps. So go ahead and do what you have to do. Tell me what x is equal to. So whatever this is what x will equal. Alrighty? So do that last step there. The second page is similar to this. Let's see. What I would do for number 7, when they give you the kite, because you know it's a kite, it has different lengths. I'm going to draw this really quickly, so it's going to be bad, but it's okay. Alright, so they give you 12, 13. What I would do is I would solve using Pythagorean theorem, solve for this side first, and then they also tell you this is 8, and then I would solve for this side after and see yeah, I probably was just doing Pythagorean theorem that way to figure out what the diagonals and stuff would be. And then number 8, you're drawing a kite with the diagonals of this diagonal is 20. This diagonal is 24. Backwards. This is a long one. 24. This is 20. You just find the area. Same thing. You're just basically creating the shape instead of doing that. So I hope that helps a little bit more. If not, let me know.